My name is Daoven. I'm an artist from Germany and I make drawings by cleaning dirty walls. And I was really inspired by the fascination for Japanese people to blossoms on trees. Another point is blossoms are always there for 2 weeks perhaps, and my drawing too will disappear in 5-6 years. It will be gone. It's a little bit the same procedure. It's always important to find orientation points in the wall.
Hello, my name is Thorsten Möwes. I'm working for the company Karcher from Germany. I'm responsible for these cleaning projects which we are doing as sponsor activities all around the world. We had marked with laser points the last days the wall that we can see where we have to draw. We start today for Mr. Daoven, our artist, with the outlines of the blossoms. And immediately if we have moved his platform for 2 or 3 steps, then our 2 RoboAccess technicians will start with our high pressure cleaners and they will follow him and fill out his outlines.
Now we finished the work at the dam and Hanata Kari is completed, and I think I'm very happy and very proud to have done it with a very good and powerful team around me.